time to eat our BLTs and watch TV before Tyler goes to work. Because this is all we can do is in the morning. You don't get a BLT. You think Mommy's gonna give you one? You think Mommy's gonna give you a BLT? Nope. Nope. Got off early. It's only 9 o'clock instead of 11. How excited are you?
Super excited.
Yeah. So, what do when you have exciting things happen?
You get blizzards.
You get blizzards from Dairy Queen.
I'm like tired than usual.
I'm tired too. You're red in the camera.
Because I'm brake lights.
Yeah.
You got so damn close to the damn other car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're sitting in the line. It's for air
got this
long.
damn baby talk. I can't stop. Every time the camera comes on, that's when I start talking like.
That's because we always talk like that.
I know, but it's like.
We're trying to be professional.
Trying to be professional.
Professionals. I gotta move up in the line.
But yeah, it's every time. I'm trying really hard, but it just
it's
comes
okay.
out.
If they don't like it, they won't watch it.
It's that comfort thing.
That's what I mean.
God, I'm so tired.
But it's time to get our blizzard on.
Blizzard.
Alright, so I'm going to end the video now. Sorry there's not much footage, but it's hard to do when it's just me sitting at home alone. But
ha! I wins.
Tyler's playing his video game on his phone. But I guess we will see you guys tomorrow. And that is our life.
Tweeters. For now.
For now.